Now I'm ready to serve this delicious dish. I'm going to actually make white rice, which I already have made before. Okay, Spanish white rice. You want it to be nice and fluffy. And go ahead and place some white rice on the plate. And if you want, you can use brown rice. Some people are really healthy and they want some brown rice. They don't want to use the white rice because it's, you know, high in calories. I use white rice. Spanish people usually use white rice. It tastes delicious with this kind of meal. So I'm going to use white rice, place it here. And now I'm going to go ahead and separate my meat and put it over here. And a lot of Spanish restaurants place their rice and their meat separate. Actually, sometimes they'll place their rice in a bowl like this and their meat on the plate. Okay, so I'm going to put this delicious dish, this delicious chicken in the dish.